Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be teaching you about the candlestick pattern strategy which actually works in intraday trading. Okay, so as you guys know, there's a lot of candlestick patterns like doji and all these things, but the formation to get in everyday trading is very rare. Okay, so the candlestick patterns that occur in all the day is very rare. Okay, so I found one simple candlestick pattern which forms in everyday intraday trading, okay, which you can find in everyday trades and which you can make profit out of it. Okay, so I'll be telling you about that candlestick pattern, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can enter and exit with the target and stop loss, everything in this video. Okay, so this candlestick pattern you can find it in every single day in whatever stock you select. Okay, so I'll be telling you how to make an entry regarding this and where to keep a target and stop loss, everything, and this is having a decent accuracy. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the details regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making constant profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. Okay, and also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on a capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the candlestick pattern what I am talking about. Okay, so guys, this candlestick pattern what I'm talking about is like a hammer candle. Okay, so I think a lot of you people know how an hammer candlestick formation will be formed. So it's something like that. Okay, and this formation will happen almost before 10 o'clock in a lot of the stocks. Okay, so as I've observed this for many days, you can see this formation before the 10 o'clock. Okay, so now what you have to do is you should put 15-minute candle chart. So you have to find this pattern in 15 minutes candle chart only, and you have to find the candle which is having a formation like this. Okay, so this is a Tata Steel chart, and as you can see here at 9:45, so this is a candle what you need to find. So every day you need to find a candle like this which is like a hammer shaped. Okay, and sometimes it don't be a perfect hammer candle, but it's fine. So you should find something like this or like this. Now what you have to do is you have to mark the high and low of this. Okay, so mark the high of this and mark the low of this, and once it breaks the high you can buy it, and once it breaks the low you can sell it. So for example, 281.70 is a high, so once it breaks the high it went all the way till 285, so you can keep 0.5% as a target. Okay, 0.5% or 1% as a target, and keep off of the target as your stop loss. For example, if you're keeping 1% as a target, keep 0.5% as your stop loss, but 0.5% 25% target will be easy to achieve. Okay, and let me show you a few of the example, and you can do the same with the reversal candle also. So I'll show you some examples so that you guys will understand easily. So here again, so again at 10 o'clock this has been formed, okay, like this. Okay, you can mark the high and low of this candle. So 272.95 is a high. So once this high got broken, it went all the way till 274.50. Okay, so you need to find a candle formation being like this, like a hammer, okay, like a plus kind of thing. Okay, so now let us change the stock and see how the strategy has been working. Okay, so this is an infratel stock. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a reversal formation what we are seeing. Okay, like a hammer, but it's reversal. So mark the high of it and low of it. So if it breaks the high, you will buy it. If it breaks the low, you will sell it. So first, as you can see, the low side has got broken. So the low was 202.35 and it got broke and touched the low of 200.70. So yes, 0.5% target would have been easily achieved, and later it had broken the high also. Okay, so now let's come to the previous days. So here again, okay, so this is a high and this is a low. So as you guys can see, the low was 194.35. The low got broke and the target of 0.5 is been achieved. And again, as you guys can see, the even high got broke and it has been performed very well on both the side also. So now let's go to the other stocks. Okay, so let me take Hindalco for example and find this kind of patterns. So here in Indelco, you can see this hammer kind of with a reversal kind of formation. So the high was 120.90 and the low was 119.90. So as you can see, the high has not got broke. The low side got broke. The 119.90 was a low. As you guys can see, the low got broke and it fell all the way till 117.40. Okay, so this is a candlestick pattern what I'm talking about. Okay, so you have to trade on the first formation. Okay, so as you can see, this candle will give a lot of times in intraday trading, but if you trade in the first time of formation in a day, will have a more accuracy. Got it? And you have to mark the high and low of that particular candle. So as you guys saw, the candles should form like this, like a hammer. Okay, with a reversal hammer or a normal hammer. Okay, so you guys need to observe this for a few days so that you will understand how the formation is. Okay, so once you observe it and once you can back test it, so if you guys feel the strategy is good, so you can like this video. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.